If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So can you really make money with LiveGood? The answer to that question is yes. And how do I know you can? Because I make money with LiveGood, and I'm about to share with you how I got my first few commissions with this company. All right. So if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, it's one of the most popular online business opportunities out there right now. It's the perfect hybrid between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day. All right. So whenever you do your research on LiveGood, you'll see all kinds of videos talking about, how to make money with LiveGood. Some people use Facebook, some people use Pinterest, some people use offline marketing, TikTok, YouTube. Everybody got their own strategy. So how I made my first few commissions with LiveGood is by video. All right. And the actual main way that I drive traffic to my LiveGood tour page is video. All right. I use primarily YouTube and Facebook Reels. The two platforms that is getting me the most amount of traffic to my LiveGood tour page, and these have gotten me all of my pre-enrollees and my actual upgrades. So a few days ago, I just started experimenting with TikTok. Now I've talked about it in the past, I am not a big TikTok fan, but I'm just gonna see, what can that do for my LiveGood business. So a few days ago, I just started experimenting with TikTok. All right. Now, in the past, I've talked about I really don't like TikTok, but I know a lot of people are getting traffic and upgrades to LiveGood from TikTok. So I'm experimenting with that, and I will obviously report back in maybe a week or two to see if I got any results with TikTok. But primarily it's, for me, YouTube videos and Facebook Reels. That's what's getting me the most traffic. And out of those two, all right, YouTube is my number one source, straight up. So when it comes to Facebook Reels, I basically post anywhere from 15 to 30-second videos just talking about the opportunity, right? That's it. I say things like, hey, are you looking for one of the best side hustles out there right now? Right? Link in the comment. Now keep in mind, with Facebook Reels, you can put your LiveGood tour page link in the comments. All right. Unlike, like TikTok, you got to say bio. Instagram, you got to say link in bio. With Facebook Reels, you can actually say link in the comment. And as soon as you post your Facebook Reel, go straight to that video and put your LiveGood tour page link in the comments. And I always put like a little pointy finger, and it says take the LiveGood tour here, exclamation point, and then put your link, right? Make it fairly noticeable. Okay. Now, why I like Facebook Reels and the whole thing about take the LiveGood tour, link in the comments, because you literally could take that Facebook Reel and then download it and put it over on your YouTube channel, and it's a YouTube short, right? So after you post it on YouTube, what you want to do is go directly to that video and comment, right? Same thing you did on Facebook Reels, but you want to actually pin that comment. So after you make the comment, you check the little option next to your comment and say pin this comment, and that way it will always stay at the top of your YouTube Shorts comment section so people can see it very, very easily. All right, that's how I do Facebook Reels mixed with YouTube Shorts. Now, with the YouTube, not the Shorts, just basically making, long form video. And when I say long form, I consider anything over 3 minutes, in my opinion, is long form. So these videos do not have to be short. But one of the first videos I would create after joining LiveGood is why I joined LiveGood. Like, that's the first video, like, just as a default, make that video. Why I joined LiveGood. Get straight to the point, talk about why you joined it, boom, 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 boom. Then after that, you could even do videos like what I've learned so far, being in LiveGood. one of the best side hustles for earning extra cash, and put LiveGood in the little parentheses thing, right? You want to use enticing words in your video titles included with LiveGood, because if you just talk about LiveGood in all of your videos, you know, it's going to be harder to rank because a lot of people are talking about LiveGood. But you want to use, you know, things like LiveGood, side hustle, make money online, LiveGood, you know, recurring income, LiveGood. You want those words in there in your titles. All right. Don't just put, oh, I'm loving LiveGood, or I'm still in LiveGood. I mean, you can do those videos. You'll get more attention when you use those more enticing adjectives in your titles. Now, let me be completely honest with you. There are members in LiveGood that is making thousands of dollars from this opportunity, and they don't mess with YouTube. They don't mess with Facebook Reels. All right. So I'm just sharing with you how I got my first few commissions with LiveGood, but you have to figure out what works for you. You have to figure out what you're comfortable with doing, and what's more importantly, what can you do on a consistent basis. All right, this is the key. If you join LiveGood, commit to it. Give yourself at least 1 year to see if this opportunity can live up to the hype, right? Because a lot of people join LiveGood and they quit after a couple weeks, which is absolutely crazy to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, it makes no sense, right? So if you join LiveGood, realize it has crazy earning potential. It really, really does. But you have to look at it from more of a long game perspective. Like, jump into it saying, all right, I'm not expecting to make $10,000 in the next 6 months, right? Work your ass off as if you're trying to get that, right? But don't expect that. Give yourself a good year. And most importantly, be consistent. So whatever method you choose, whether it be the YouTube like me and Facebook Reels, or it's just TikTok, or it's just Facebook posts on your profile or whatever, or doing offline marketing, be consistent. That is the key to success when it comes to LiveGood. So if you haven't joined LiveGood yet and you're ready to jump on the team, all you gotta do is click that first link in the description. You know the rest. Take that action and start earning some money.